everyone, welcome back to Research Circle. The topic for a particular video discussion is 6 reasons why online therapy might be perfect fit for your needs. So, our rapid advances towards all our interaction taking place in online marketplace is as speedy as it is inevitable. So, however, some industries and services have taken longer to adapt to a new normal, and those in the healthcare and wellness sectors are relatively late to the party. This is perhaps understandable given the personal nature of these services, but it should be noted that these areas are now seeing a real uptick in their popularity, and the providers of the relevant resources are becoming more numerous and adaptable to both the new market and those seeing them out. Recent survey found that as many as 98% of those who used online therapy found that the convenience of doing so was a major plus, and indeed 88 found it is more reasonably priced than traditional forms of services. The online therapy industries is now one of the fastest growing area of the market and continues to show real progress. There are many reasons why you might choose the use. Here are 6 pertinent examples of how delivering and receiving therapy sessions works for thousands of people. So the first comes here is ease of use. Convenience, as with many online services, is a big reason why people choose to have therapy sessions of all types online. There's less of hustle when it comes to traveling to and from a form an appointment and give that most of us no longer work 9 to 5 lives. This means it's easier for you to arrange a session that fits your schedule. Perhaps uh, previous reasons to avoid the therapy you might have needed might have revolved around your inability to find the right time. This would be less of an obstacle. The next point or the next reason come here is privacy. One of the major aspect to consider when it comes to therapy that it is one that is somewhat archaic but still a very real concern. It's privacy. If you go to visit a therapist in a physical location, then there's every chance you might bump into an acquaintance and you may not wish to be seen doing so. Clearly, we have come a long way from the times when seeing a specialist for a therapy sessions could be seen from a negative standpoint, but still there are some patients who want to keep their sessions as private as possible. Clearly, if you are having an online session, the issue of privacy is resolved. The third reason is choice. If you happen to be located in a small town and previously only had access to one or two professionals in the field, then your options would clearly be very limited, which in turn could compromise the quality of the service. However, the online field is nearly limitless. This means you can do relevant research and find the best provider regardless of their geographical location. The fourth reason comes here is quality of the field. Now that online wellness is a common practice that is undertaken by 10 of thousand of the people, the level of the quality has risen exponentially. There are a great many providers who manage large teams of certified medical professionals that in turns offer you a possibility of reaching out a greater number of specialists than you might reach if you were attempt to locate on your own. The fifth reason come here is a specialist treatment. The increase in the commonality of using online therapist services has meant that more specialists rotate to receive the care and attention your requires can be found. This can be split along relevant fields, perhaps of those who want their care to reflect their religious beliefs and learning. The most reputable in the market will bring you therapists that cover all types of your need. Among the best in the field are faithful counseling, and you can uh, uh, do more about the faithful counseling with these tips. The next come here is cost. Now, the cost of the therapy on the whole has been driven by the fact that the online form of services has started to outstrip in-person visits. Clearly, this doesn't even took into account the associated costs of getting your appointment, but the industry itself has saved a money by not on the whole, needing a front office. Many practitioners align themselves with the providers who arrange their appointments and schedule, and then they take their sessions from their home offices, saving money at both the ends of the interaction. So, this is all about the reasons that you should prefer an online therapist nowadays, because we are in this pandemic situation and this is the best alternative we can do to avoid unnecessary troubles with you. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this helpful, please share and subscribe to the Research Circle channel.